If you've seen the film, great film, 12 Angry Men, you'll remember that the jury breaks the case by doing their own independent research. You remember, took the knife and examined it and did all kind of research and then brought it back into the jury room. That made for a great movie. But in the real world, would this be considered legal? If you're ever a juror, can you do your own independent research to verify something a witness said or even visit a crime scene? The answer is no. Recently in a case in Florida, a juror drank a certain number of vodkas in order to see whether or not a person would be drunk after drinking that amount of alcohol, and the conviction was thrown out. You should not. I know of several cases, other cases as well, where convictions were reversed because a juror went out and viewed the scene of the crime. As a juror, you must render your verdict only using information that was provided at the trial. You're not permitted to read the newspaper articles about the case. You're not permitted to visit the scene of the crime or interview people. You're also not allowed to read court records involving the case previous to the trial. In a 2003 case, a California man's murder conviction was overturned when it was discovered that a juror had read court documents from a previous hearing about the same case at the Court of Appeals. All of this doesn't mean you can't use your own knowledge or common sense and experience and apply those in making a judgment about the evidence presented at trial. In fact, you probably should do so. But remember, as a juror, always listen carefully to the instructions of the trial judge and act accordingly. I'm Alan Dershowitz for Newsmax TV.